Welcome to this technical guide on the Omen Tower. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Omen Tower overheats and lags during gaming. This overheating can occur due to old or degraded thermal paste, which is essential for transferring heat away from your CPU and GPU. If left untreated, this issue can lead to severe performance degradation and potential hardware damage. To tackle this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. First, ensure your Omen Tower is powered off and unplugged. Open the side panel by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Be cautious while removing the panel, as you want to avoid damaging any clips or components. Once inside, locate the CPU cooler, which is typically situated above the CPU. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard and unscrew the cooler from the CPU. This may require some force, but be gentle to avoid bending any pins. Once removed, you will see the old thermal paste on the CPU and cooler. Dampen your lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe away the old paste from both surfaces until they are clean. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU, about the size of a pea. Reattach the cooler, ensuring it is aligned correctly, and secure it with screws, applying even pressure. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's properly seated. As you close the side panel, ensure there are no cables obstructing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After closing the panel, plug in your Omen Tower and power it on. Monitor the temperatures while gaming to confirm that the overheating issue has been resolved. To prevent future overheating, ensure your device is well ventilated, clean dust from the internals regularly, and consider replacing the thermal paste every couple of years. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.